When your Kubernetes pod isn't starting or behaving correctly, the first question is always, what's actually happening inside? Let's explore how to get the full diagnostic picture. The primary command you'll use is kubectl describe pod followed by the pod name. This gives you a comprehensive view of everything Kubernetes knows about that pod. It's your go-to diagnostic tool and should be the first thing you run when troubleshooting. The most valuable section appears at the bottom, events. This chronological log shows you exactly what Kubernetes has been doing with your pod. You'll see scheduling decisions, image pulling activity, container starts, and critically, any error events. If something's wrong, the events section usually tells you why. The output also includes detailed status fields. The phase tells you if the pod is pending, running, succeeded, or failed. Conditions show readiness and initialization state. And container states reveal whether your containers are waiting, running, or terminated with exit codes. Together, these fields paint a complete picture of pod health. 2 important tips: if your pod isn't in the default namespace, add the -n flag with your namespace name. And for quicker checks, kubectl get pod with the -o wide flag shows basic info, while kubectl get events can show cluster-wide events when you're hunting for broader issues. Master kubectl describe pod and you'll diagnose issues faster. Practice it now on Interview Mentor and level up your Kubernetes skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.